Welcome to this guided meditation with me, Donna McCallum, and thank you for gifting yourself with this session. Get comfortable, whatever that means for you. No effort required, just ease. Simply relax. Take a deep breath in and out. Gently close your eyes. Become aware of your breathing as you breathe deeply in and out. And now feel all the points of your body that are touching whatever you're sitting or lying on. And allow your body to relax into whatever it is that is supporting you. The chair, the floor, the bed. Notice where there's any stress or tension. Any parts of you, any muscles that are holding or trying to support you. Simply allow those parts of you to relax, let go, dissolve. As your body and mind move more into ease and peace and relaxation. Imagine a beautiful warm white light coming from about 10 meters above you and showering you with the most exquisite sensation of relaxation, vitality, energy. And as the light showers over you, you feel it move through your whole energy system, down through your head, your neck, your shoulders, your arms. This beautiful energy flowing down through your chest, into your lungs, your stomach, your hips, your groin, down your spine into your buttocks. Your whole energy system with release and relaxation and this delicious white light energy flow as it moves down through your legs, your knees, your calves, your ankles, and into your feet and down into the earth below you. Your whole body, your whole energy system is filled with light and relaxation. Now I invite you to imagine that you are in a beautiful, safe space. It feels supported and beautiful and safe. Notice what you see. Notice what you hear in the background. Notice any smells and how this place makes you feel. And do exactly what feels right for you to do in this place. Whatever that is, do that now. And now I invite you to imagine that into this space walks the future you. Notice what the future you looks like. How she or he walks. What clothes are they wearing? And the future you comes up to you and gives you a big hug. You feel a sense of deep knowing and deep connection. And the future you has some words of wisdom for you. Listen closely and attentively as the future you shares with you now. If you need to ask any questions, ask questions. Have the conversation and really glean the wisdom from this future version of yourself. And now the future you has something to give you. And he or she gives it to you. Notice what it is. And notice what they're saying about why they're giving you this specific thing now. Listen closely. And now, I invite you to imagine thanking your future self for visiting you, for bringing its wisdom, for helping and supporting you. You may imagine giving each other a big hug, and some last parting words. And now, very slowly and gently, I'm going to count back from 10 to 1. And as I do, you will find your awareness returning back into the room. And you'll feel light and bright and really buoyed up by the advice and wisdom from your future self. 10, 9, 8, becoming slowly conscious. 7, 6, 5, aware of your body, aware of your breathing. 4, 3, wiggling your fingers, wiggling your toes. 2, and 1. Blink your eyes together and slowly open them. Welcome back. Please share this meditation so that its energy ripples out to the people that you love. And you can find many more resources and tools for your manifesting money and magic on my website, donnamccallum.com. Wishing you a fun and magical day.